This is a sample output of what we will achieve at the end of this section. The ability to toggle the LED 0 on and off from Codesys. To complete this part of the tutorial, we'll need the following hardware: Cytron IRIV PiControl. Open Codesys and go to File and click New Project. In the New Project window, select Standard Project and give a name to the project. Let's call this project IRIV Codesys Tutorial. Then click OK. Next, for the device, based on the selection previously from the Configure Runtime window, choose Codesys Control for Raspberry Pi 64SL Codesys. If the Config Runtime window selection was multi-core 64-bit, choose Codesys Control for Raspberry Pi MCSL Codesys. If the Configure Runtime window selection was multi-core 32-bit. For PLC PRG in, choose Structured Text ST and click OK. A new window will open. Delete the default GPIOs AB, GPIOs AB device, as it will cause conflict and interference otherwise later. Next, you want to configure the GPIO. For this, right-click on Device and click Add New Device. Expand Miscellaneous, choose GPIO and click Add Device. This will add a new GPIO device in the Device tab. Right-click on the GPIO and choose Add Device. Choose GPIO 1-bit and enter GPIO 20 for the name and click Add Device. Referencing the IRIV PiControl datasheet, there is a user programmable LED 0 which is connected to GPIO 20. Double-click on the GPIO 20 to bring up its configuration. In the GPIO 20 configuration window, select the first tab, GPIO sysfs module parameter, to configure and assign the GPIO directions to output, GPIO pin number to 20, and current pin state to false. Next, we want to enter the IRIV PiControl to online mode. First, we need to double-click the device Codesys Control for Raspberry Pi. The device configuration window will open. In the communication setting window, click on Scan Network. First, select Cytron IRIV PiControl on the gateway and then click OK. If your IRIV does not appear, you can try restarting your IRIV and/or double-clicking on Gateway 1. Click Yes. Type in the admin for name and admin for password and confirm password, then click OK. Note, you may use other particulars for the name, password, and confirm password fields, but please remember the custom particulars you choose. Type in admin for the name, admin for password, and then click OK. If you use custom particulars for the name and password, use your custom particulars instead. Next, click the tool button which is shown on screen now, Online Config Mode. The button should turn from green to red. With this, we have connected to Cytron IRIV PiControl. This mode allows us to test input and outputs without writing a real application. Next, double-click the GPIO 20 in the device sidebar. Select the GPIO sysfs module IO mapping tab. Double-click on the value in the current value column. This will make the value toggle between true and false. If true, LED 0 will light up. If false, LED 0 will remain off. Before ending, click the tool button which is shown on screen now, Online Config Mode, to exit out of the Online Config Mode.